Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. In my last video, I made a vegan, non-alcoholic Coquito, and some of you may have some feelings about that. And I don't care, simply because those lacto-indifferent people, along with our NA friends, deserve something tasty to drink alongside us. And for those of you who are like, where's the booze? Here's the booze. I'm gonna take my Coquito I made yesterday and turn it into our Coquito cocktail. For those of you who want a little spice in your life this holiday season, or if you have to deal with your family. I'm gonna start with our Coquito from yesterday. Again, this is vegan and non-alcoholic. So we're gonna go with 2 full ounces of our Coquito mix, or 60 mils, followed by some Havana Rum. Go 1.5 ounces, or 45 mils. Then for a little extra spice, some Smith & Cross overproof rum. Go with 1/2 ounce, or 15 mils. This is one of the best ingredients you can use for holiday cocktails, liquor 43. I'm gonna go with 1/4 ounce, or 7 mils, liquor 43. Got my big ice cube here, give it a crack. And give it a nice hard shake for about 10 seconds. Our cocktail glass, I'm using a Libby Vintage Coupe. Get a nice double strain so we don't get any ice crystals in there. Followed by a little fresh nutmeg. Ooh, yeah. So the first smell you get is obviously the nutmeg. It's the first thing that kind of permeates in your face, followed by the Smith & Cross. That Navy strength rum has a very specific smell to it. And after that, you get the coconut. So, cheers. Yeah, that's dangerous. It is coconutty and sweet. That liquor 43 gives it all those like vanilla spice notes. But then after that, you get the Smith & Cross followed by the Havana. You get all those flavors in there. And you're also tasting a lot of that orange zest that I put in the original Coquito mix. Perfect way to make it through the holidays with your family. Cheers. If you want to check out my vegan NA Coquito recipe, click right there. And if you want to check out some of my holiday recipes, click up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.